Greetings. In this video we will discuss and demonstrate the CA Workload Automation AE Verification Exit facility. I will start with a brief overview and then move on to the requirements, some notes on the implementation, and finally a few examples, including how to require an attribute, how to modify an attribute, and how to use this feature to audit job inserts and updates. The JIL Verification Exit, also referred to as the External Verification Exit, is an extension to the application server that provides a mechanism for verifying or modifying job inserts and updates prior to the database commit. It is a shared library, or DLL, written in C and placed in the AutoSys bin directory on Windows or AutoSys lib directory on Unix. It must contain the entry point seen here, and it must return validated, denied, or modified. To get a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. The first example sets a requirement that the incoming JIL must contain a description attribute. Reviewing the code, you can see that it includes the AutoEXT header file. Our only function is the required entry point I mentioned earlier. This line sets the required version. The main logic checks for the description attribute and returns the appropriate response, validated or denied. Let's see it in action. Here's the test JIL, a very simple job insert. I will insert the JIL and, whoops, no description attribute. So let me add one real quick. Try again, and success. The next example demonstrates how to modify an attribute on insert. In this case, I want all my job names to include the company name. But hold on, looks like I have a bug in my code. You can see I am modifying my incoming job name to include the company name, but at the end I'm returning validated when I should be returning modified. By returning validated, the job insert would be accepted as is and the name attribute would never be modified. I have corrected my code behind the scenes. Let's see how it works. Using the same test JIL, the insert is successful and I can verify that my new job has the company name added. In the final example, all job inserts and updates are written to a log file. This block of code checks if the operation being performed is an insert, a modification, or an update, and writes an informative message to the log file. To demonstrate, I will insert our favorite test job and then make a quick update. Checking the log, we can see my insert and update has been noted. Thank you for watching.